Okay, so here's our new lights. They actually don't video very well, but we've got purple, green, and orange. And Greg's new star that he got today from the antique store. Yay! Here's all white lights.
Warm light.
Warm white lights.
What do you want me to do next?
I don't know.
Architecture.
Yeah, go into the architecture ones. Don't you have some of those loaded? It's, I think it's called landscape actually, not architect. It might be architecture, I can't remember.
Photo ready.
No, you may not have it downloaded. The star really shows up like that, especially through this camera.
Yeah. Architectural?
Yeah.
Oh, warm white, architectural light, bright white.
Do the warm white and do like 2 on, 2 off. Yeah, there you go. Pretty.
Yeah, it's 2 on, 5 off.
What's the brightness on those? Change the brightness.
100, that's as high as it goes.
Oh, is it? Okay.
There's 1 on. That looks really nice, just as mood lighting.
Yeah, mood lighting. 2 and 2?
2, 4.
Oh, 2 and 4?
1, 4. Then 2, 3, and 1, 3.
Ah.
And then 2 and 2. And then 1 and 2.
I don't know what I like.
And then we have bright.
I don't like that.
Okay, I'm gonna skip over the bright.
I like the warm whites.
And then this is the one I was just on.
Is that an architecture thing?
There's 3 packs in the architecture pack. It's these 3 I just showed.
Okay.
Let's look at the photo ready.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's Christmas 1.
Yeah.
Christmas 2.
That's pretty too.
Christmas retro.
Ooh,
I like
that's pretty.
Halloween.
Where's Halloween?
It wasn't doing anything. It's kind of spooky.
Whoa. Yeah, it really lights the house that purple on camera.
St. Patrick.
Ooh, pretty.
St. Patrick retro. Oh no. There we go. I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty too.
Easter.
It looks very different on the camera though. That's like pink and blue.
Easter 2.
That's purple and yellow.
Easter 3. It's more of a pink. It's pink. It's just showing me on here. It's pink.
Okay.
Canadian.
Red and white. That looks like candy canes. That's pretty.
America.
Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, it looks weird through the camera.
I think I like the warm light better because it's not as harsh.
Yeah,
as the
I
pure
agree.
light.
I agree.
Like this looks nice, but I think just for general, this looks better.
Mm-hmm.
And these are all at max brightness, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, most of the downloads were. Like, most of the ones that were in all the download folders.
I don't know why, but I think that looks better.
It looks very, look at it through the camera. It looks very weird.
It's a set of 3 of each color as opposed to alternating.
Show me again.
I think that
Oh.
looks better. Valentine's.
Oh, pink and white.
Cinco de
That's
Mayo.
pretty. Oh, that's pretty.
That looks like Christmas.
Yeah, I was going to say you could do that for Christmas.
Rainbow.
It's just the Mexican flag colors.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. The bright whites are just too white in my opinion. That's pretty though.
I think these are good for like showcases, for like if you want to picture the house at night.
Yeah, actually that does look really good on yeah, that I like that too. Which one is that? Mark that as a favorite. And
It won't mark as a favorite on yours anyway.
I know, but I'm saying mark it as a favorite and then tell me later what it
What about
is.
the last one?
Show me the last one.
It's just there's an extra.
Yeah,
image and
both of
an
those are
extra in the
good.
middle.
Yeah.
And then
Remind me
see-
of both of those. Ooh, pretty.
It looks like your Camaro.
Oh, I miss my camera. I really don't, but I do. I wouldn't be able to get out of it. Oh, that's weird. Oh, that looks really cool in the camera. pretty.
Play
Almost
with
looks like spotlight shining on the house.
It does, don't it? It broadcasts a lot of light on the house itself.
Canadia.
Why do you keep calling it Canadia?
Because I'm a moron.
Oh my god.
Matrix.
To the galaxy one.
Oh yeah.
Let me find
The
it.
Star Wars one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, that would look pretty year round. That really doesn't look blue. I mean, it does through the camera.
It's like a teal.
It's almost
like
well, like a light blue. It's actually
It
like
is
a
a
light
blue,
light
but-
blue with a whites. I like that a lot.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the list I was going through.
Okay, I'm gonna need a cherry. All my back's killing me.
Ooh, I like that.
Oh, they're moving.
Wow, good job, Sherlock.
Oh, stop it.
May take her a second, but
What color is that?
It's Halloween Pulse. It's orange and purple.
Mm.
Then
Is that a pulse also?
yeah,
Lucky cat.
and they're moving. They
Oh,
crawl.
they do move, don't
Yeah.
they? Okay, I see.
And fire.
Fire!
Oh, yeah, I saw that one earlier.
And these are called stretch. I think.
Stretch, yeah, that's what it is. I remember that
And we
setting
have a blue
too.
stretch. I like that.
That's pretty.
Yeah. That's nice. I like that.
It's
And
very
then
subtle too.
burning Easter.
That's pretty.
I'm gonna wait for the car to pass.
Okay.
Oh, good grief.
What?
This next one's a little crazy. At least in the preview. And it crawls a little bit. You can see it.
Yeah, I see the shadow on the house is all I see. I don't see it on the lights.
Yeah, it's because it
It's
doesn't,
really
it doesn't
weird.
move very much, but
Go to that ghost one. Oh, no. We determined the ghost thing is just the way it runs.
And died.
I don't think the setting does anything.
Turn it off and back on. I ran
I just
across
did.
and it still didn't do anything. It's lit up around there on the side. Oh no, that's a
the
camera.
Okay, that was the last one.
Whoa! No, this is cool.
That's cool.
This is a police pack I have here.
I downloaded that too.
Yeah. And then it should come back across after a minute.
I think it's like 30 to 60 seconds for it to run,
Yeah.
and then that's when it'll start
I
over.
wish it would like bounce.
What do you mean?
Like it would go and then it would start retracting from the other end when it reached the
Oh,
end,
yeah.
and then it would come back from the other end.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's gonna do it. Okay, pressing buttons.
That's pretty.
That's kind of neat.
Mm-hmm.
Wait for the car.
They're probably like, what the heck? That is so weird. Those ones, I'm deleting those ones from my files.
Ooh, you
'Cause-
freak out your neighbors.
Yeah, because that's just weird.
Oh,
What?
I think the chase. I think they don't start, but the marquee. I think that's the one. that is.
Oh, that could be it.
But the chase will keep going.
Yeah, I bet you're right.
Because this one's a marquee. The other one was a chase. So we'll try this one, see if it does it.
Okay. I'm filming.
I know.
Well, you're making all kinds of racket.
I know. I'm bored.
Well, we can stop. You don't have to do it. The star looks really good at night.
It does. Yeah. It'll look even better during the day.
Stars at night, big and bright. I can't
Tried. Okay, yeah, it's not doing it.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
No.
Oh,
I
that's
just
you.
changed.
Okay.
What's this one gonna do?
I have no idea.
should come back red.
Oh, it just goes away altogether.
It's going around. It's the
Oh, it's that around setting?
yeah.
I don't really like that setting. Because all the lights disappear. Look, the flower things down there.
Can't figure
They
out
don't
what-
know what's happening. I saw them a while ago. They were on, and then when the lights up there came on, they went way dim. And then they were just now flashing. Yeah, see, look at them. That's funny. That's pretty. Oh, you could use that as landscape lights. You could use any color, or architecture lights. You could use any color. What other colors would look good?
Oh, that is cool.
Oh, that's neat.
This is a Pac-Man.
I was going to ask you what that setting was.
It's this.
But the Pac-Man one,
The ghost one's the one you don't like.
the Pac-Man one we ran the other day, or earlier today, was like the lights would go out, like they weren't.
That was the ghost setting.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Or maybe they were just so dim it looked like they were out there.
Well, and that's true. It was still daylight when we were playing, so it may have been. And those are very
I
dim.
remember a couple in this setting.
Okay, and that's the Pac-Man one you said?
That's the Pac-Man. This is green Pac-Man is what it's called.
That is?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
it's-
the name of the program.
Well, it's doing totally different now.
Well, I sped it up.
Oh, okay.
I think it was on like 90%.
All right, I'm fixing to have to stop this. My
The-
back's
The
hurting.
difference between 90 and 100% is crazy.
I know.
Okay, put it on a Halloween theme.
Halloween theme?
He doesn't have the one I was running earlier.
Which one were you running earlier?
It's one I created,
Oh.
or I modified a little bit. Yeah, I don't like that.
But the ghost one,
No, not that one either.
the ghost one will differ based. If you have a background color, I think it'll stay on, and it'll just.
Oh, I keep forgetting about the background color. I got to remember that.
Yeah,
What background color?
Well,
because like, let me put a background color on this one.
the background color stays lit up instead of being out. Hang on, he'll show you.
Oh wait, didn't push the button.
You got to save it.
Oh, okay.
See?
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Yeah, these are all chase. I think these.
That's similar to what I was running. They're running so fast you can't even tell.
Yeah, I sped it up. I just fixed it.